Hi, Peggy. So I got your email and I want to show you all the ways that you can do the assignment that Kara sent you on Friday. So this is the self-serving course that you're in. And in Module 5, I'm going to go down to Module 5, you will notice that down here in the slow lane, there is the training on video capture. And that's what we're using to do this little short video, this little pretend video. So we're going to go here, and when you go to that training video capture, it explains a little bit about what video capture means, and then it's got some tutorials. You'll notice these right down here, and you'll want to go to adding media to media space, and click that. And once we get to here, there's some instructions about how you log in. I'm actually going to take you through that step by step in this little tutorial, but let me show you where there's some things that you need to know. So these are the instructions for how to log in, and then down here you'll also notice there's some instructions for screen recording. When you click that, there's another document that will open up that in more detail explains how to do exactly what I'm about to tell you about. And this is probably what you want to follow as you start to make that screencast for your assignment. So I'm going to close all of these windows. I'm going to open up a new tab. And in that tab, I'm going to type in media.online.uga.edu. And then I'll go to that website. And up here in the corner, you'll see that it says guest. I'm going to click that and then click login. Now this is supported by central authentication services. So you're going to want to have your MyID and password, just like you would for your email or other things for ELC. And here it is. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And it's got my ID and password, so I'll log in. And now you'll notice it's the same page as before, but now my name is up in the corner instead of it saying guest. And when I click on my name, I have all these choices. You want to go to My Channels. Now, when I go to My Channels, I'm going to have a whole lot of channels because I work with a lot of professors. But for you, when you come in here, you'll probably only have one. I think you're only the manager of one. So when you do that, you're just going to click on one. Let me find one that's empty. So you'll just click on one, and when you go into this next page, you're going to click Add Media. And when you do that, it'll start to refresh itself. It's taking a long time. My internet is slow at home, sorry. And then go up to Add New, click that, and you have a lot of choices here, but for this particular one, I would suggest one of two things. Either the webcam recording where you just talk, or the screen recording if you want to show pictures that you have on your computer. I'd probably suggest the webcam recording. So I'm going to click that. Because all we really want from you is just to record what you're thinking and what you're doing. A very quick message to your students. Now this is probably going to take a minute. And actually I'm on Chrome, so it may not show up. Oh, there it goes. So it's going to ask me if I want to allow it access. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to allow it. And now you can see me sitting on my couch. Hello, hello, hello. So now what I can do is I can just push this. You'll notice there's a red button. And so I can just push this. And now it's recording. So this is what I would say. Hello, students. So glad you're back from spring break. You know, as we're getting back into class, blah, 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 blah. And I'd give a little message like that. And that's exactly what we want you to do. And I just click here when I want to say that. And now it's recording. So this is what I would say. Hello, students. And then it plays it a little bit for you so that you can be sure that you have what you need. Okie dokie. Now you have to name it. So I'm going to name this Test for Peggy. And you need to scroll down on the page. And you also have to select what this is. So in this particular case, I created all of this content. So I'm going to click that. And then I push save. Now it's uploading the file. So it's going to be, in that folder when it's all finished uploading. So now I can go back to my channels. And I put it in 7060. And it takes a few minutes to process, so it may not be there immediately, but you just need to let us know when it's there, and we will go and find it for you. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I'm sure you're going to do a great job on this assignment.